All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to look at solving a system of equations by elimination when the variables don't cancel out. So if I add 2x and 4x, I get 6x. So those don't cancel, so that's not going to help me eliminate x. Let's consider y. A negative 3y plus a 1y. Will that cancel out? No. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to rewrite these equations with something so that they will cancel out. Well, I notice that negative 3y and y, they already have opposite signs, but we needed them to have exactly opposite coefficients. So if this is a negative 3y, if I made this a positive 3y, then I can eliminate them. Well, let's see how we can do that. So I know that the multiplication property of equality says that as long as I multiply one side of an equation by a number, then I can multiply the other side of the equation by the same number, and the equation stays equivalent. So, all right, if I do that, then let's see what we get. So 3 times 4x gives us 12x plus 3 times y gives me 3y. And then 3 times 24 gives us 72. So if I rewrite the original equation, 2x minus 3y equals negative 2. Let's see if that looks like something that we can eliminate something on now. So let's see, if we add straight down, what is 2x plus 12x? 14x. What is negative 3y plus 3y? That's 0. They eliminated just like we wanted them to. And then 72 and plus negative 2 is 70. All right, so the next thing that we can do is we don't really need this plus 0. We know that when we add 0 to something, it doesn't really change the value. So now we just have 14x equals 70. Okay, we're going to divide both sides by 14. And what's that give us? 5. So now we found our x value by eliminating y. Are we done with the problem? Nope. Now what we have to do is we have to figure out what is y. So we can go back into either one of these equations, substituting in x equals 5. Well, I think that this original equation actually looks a little simpler. So let's try that. So by substituting that in, let's make it a different color. Okay, we're going to get 4 times, instead of x, we're going to make that 5, plus y, and that's equal to 24. So again, I went back to that original equation because I thought it looked a little easier. So 4 times 5 is 20. That's a 20. I don't know why that's not cooperating. Okay, and then plus y equals 24. Oh, well, I know how to solve that equation. That's simple. I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides of the equation. And then that's going to leave me with y equals 4. So we're done. We have solved this system of equations by finding the x and the y value. So let's write our final answer as an ordered pair. We've got 5, 4.